Hello and welcome to the Fibonacci free video for Monday, October 16th. This is David and let's take a look at the S&P 500. And I want to show you the levels that I am focused on. I'm going to be mostly referencing our Voodoo Lines levels. Those are based on Fibonacci and other math applied to very long-term Elliott wave patterns. And you can see that that earlier in the spring, we came above and held this 4083 level in the cash S&P. That is our fire line. Those are the most important of the Voodoo line levels. And when you hold that level, the first place that I naturally look to is the tree line up above. Those are going to be our second most important levels up at 4788. That is also roughly the all-time high. We had a few days that spiked that tree line and came back down, but that is effectively where the all-time high is. Now, the action around the third most important levels, our snow lines, has been a little bit sloppier. We got a little bit above it here in at the July high before coming back to the lower snow line at 4352 here in August, right? Bouncing up to the upper snow line, and then the next time down, breaking through the lower snow line at 4352. Today, we've, or really last week, we came in and found ourselves back above 4352, and I think we're going to hold above this time. We might come and test a little bit below, but generally, I think we're going to mostly hold, and if so, that sets up a target back for 4518. Getting and holding above 4518 leaves the path clear towards 4788. Now, I don't think it's going to be a straight shot, right? I think that probably we'll get to somewhere north of the July high, and then we'll need to come back. And that pullback when it comes, wherever it comes from, will probably at least test and very well may come back below 4518. So, in the short term, or even intermediate term, I'm looking to above the July highs, looking for a pullback. If that pullback again regains 4518, then as I said, the next level above is 4786, 4788. We probably eventually get beyond that as well, but that's something we'll talk about in the premium video. Some more details on what the path might look like, as well as how far up we might eventually go. We'll dig into those details, but for now, I wanted to let you know these important levels along the way, and most importantly, so long as we hold above 4352, that leaves the path upwards on a short-term basis. Next level up, 4518, and getting above there keeps the path further up. So I hope you found that useful, and I will see you at the next update.
Hey, David here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for taking a few minutes to watch this video. I hope you found it useful. And if you did, please help us out. Click the like button. You can also add your comments below. We love to read those and respond to them. You can also click the bell icon. That will alert you whenever we have new and updated videos. And if you want to watch us trade in real time with our own money, you can visit simplertrading.com to learn how to sign up. Until I see you again, as always, good trading, and we'll see you at the next video.